Yes, you. If you don't know what can orisi waya to even na gba ma waya gbe. No wala no waga video na go vera no save obey vera. Oga do ka on we ami men na hin mo a new generation prophet atiti waya to wabokian. When you have a zebo, when you have said to hear with a broken English. A broken English in his ena. Why I say video where a webona war Imakaze broken English is there, but Benny Zoe, why me ubo, ya do ya have zedo, ya wama ze woman, a we, new generation we are ze woman. No walao, waga video now, what elbe woman panache mi la king. Ome woman pa na che mi la king. Nika po joge, wa make it.
Ko bota o na we o te se de ko mi ya ye odo ko o pe mi ya mo imi video na titi wo ta na na we ni record the message na go under we even the na say vie ya ye we vie me na we mi under we Odowe de natiti mudiaji we wage avedosie kegbeni we tatiti gwimaya hohia kege wade no
viedo noro wake no risi oma bin meji ikam wase we mo new generation prophet atiti eminema ema dolo yi ina bege won enyi se vevo bini kata ni upo meni ya ka mewe emino unema wa mi no kuna kai mana mi la kin na ona ka se we ile agbon ya kon hian cause awu yin me ni anyi iyan na ya fefe abi ku na abi dide dana no rewe bona iyan oni amu bi bie ka no de iyan mu yan ri ayimabo iya we dede so we dede na no fele le wodo eriyan mi mu bie ka no de ibie ka no de no concentrate your water eriyan mi condemn life yan de na ma mo no bu be woni ma je na abi dede so dede say if no ma kanya iga we video o ma kan we I did my video for o ma like uju wa we ya so wa ya tieri imari ido is imai sote nda ya we ta gbera mi but e mo pa kan ya ata na we mi ya ni takian na iga ta ona se wani oga em ni je mi ni ka ya we tan fi medo edigwa gbe o ma e me kere kala ta mu menwa o se ko kin wi. So why at Tiani, no my yoro we now la why you phone Tiani they were new generation prophet attitude or rely we now share the video, let the video go viral. And press the notification bell and press the like your thing. Uwaewu ure manania, umai come here there. La no subscribe to the prophet attitude top show. Ma make no ya press star with on him. We don't na press star, but I like your thing and press him one. So if you don't know work in Orisi, he married the way saga, he gave away saga, he married here bonoma. I won't knew me, ni. Have you could not fail in them what do have it the dinner now? I won't knew me near in Yikian, na monaria, yam, no more yoga, or do no more yoga. Here, Gualovini yak picula, eh? Here, Gualovini yak picula, so have it the dinner, Adokawe. Opiana nyivenu yani, opiana nyivenu yani, opiana nyivenu yani. Orite dogo boma ya dole wioma yi, koto ado oboma ya dole wioma yi, adoguna zosi. Osi. Nuwewe wawe ma match. With time, Obama ya dole, you're taking 5 years, you're taking 6 years, you're taking 10 years. Oh no, say, I don't make it for the 5 years in relationship or my easy. I can't do me because of immaterial things. In Waginina. Avec des dédains, what do you know by no what? You know what? Oriano, you know what to take it out. What are you, what are you? So, any Babnania, we top people, Bumada, Ibude. Benidia Gua, Benidia Ibutina, one of Buwagari, Naya Wevo. I say no, Mammy, Wagbona, I say no, Mammy, Agboyas, I know they made a mistake. I made a mistake and I correct it or important. So, Okuna la Chemila Kina, Imari do tia bonnet, even set it tia bonnet. He only wawaga video now. He do tell me at time. Boko be na. E boko be na na Chemila Kina. Ona won missing. We not tell ona won missing. Imaya yo missing ni agaku. Iya agaku kugbe. We no kunaje. Oma me ni meye mi la kin. Be mi ya luta video ni ban. Oma me meje imere do dollar yi. Imere do dollar yi. Ya mi no yin se wewo. O se we won yin se wewo. Be ni le luwa ya kon hin ani bi no ta ni ri gele ma ya kon hin. Yi won se. Ya me won yin se. E ti me ma o. But when no sa bo ade me o da no bo. Ku te de me de na gwogo. No ri ni me. Mina be beg on any sina ye agwegwa of it. Akedo mi wo tu na waye na ami fo kwa ma musimela. Wasime yogo wene, wasime yo owo ebone nu dawe emi esi ni kamu wawe ere ya nyi wagbon. O tu na iya kuliko no bu no wodo. Iya the struggle no bu no wodo na gi wodo be na because of immaterial things, fake life. Iki ge na murupa mwele ge na suanlele ya kon. Imi suanlele ya kon, emana do beg awi ko ni na buna do beg we de na fake life yan ge live. Ti yan dia wo ma wa. Evni ya kin ya we yan hin. Yan we yan hin. Eso tie ami mi ope ni ma tie oda fun yan we de oda fun yan me go kekere oda fun yan kon bo to tete bun. O piano we yo buwe mufu anu we mo so le lenu da a program we wash we yo buwe mufu ania we do we keke we na do me go mass of that friend we le kin ani o da fu we ne gbagbagba we yo bo mufu mi mi ku so no tie we nu de wa me ya no do wa me ya na e no wa buye mo da fu a o si se no ti me iti a ori dole no wa ya bi ni pe agion abi ni pe agion. So egbaru ko we na o du ekina wo na ma we no bumbe e city no lega ma na ma no agbonu ye ni city ma me so ma me no buma na iya mi no mo yoge iya agwa ko de ni ya penetrate la o emi no na uma we wo sa no ke ma gbon o ma kini ala ma ba gbon je ma na emi ti na mi ana ma we mai we ya aka mi no pa mi no na uma so emi kariba we turn serie tax waga video no go vera ya aka play voice mi la kin ikete mi ata ma I mare do tie bone o ma me ni ma je de na ma gi tie bo u de ma ri bu we ni ma de ya bu de o ri ma we ni bo na se tia aggressive orebo o se tia aggressive no we ma. But I don't do that again. But even the go when it pay record the way na go down you have a zebo. You have a zebo able to broken English.
Yari Katie mo boy Rita no we hook up. In fact, man here fair ni wade against it do. Me no be mo boy do asiye zoni ma boy we o wala dia. O we jore no we moze o we ji. Yo ga je here we go. O wa mo boy atoni wo. Here we.
When you weta na ri weta, iyoro no we moze. When you tiny, iyoro no we moze na ma egbe. Ọ̀pẹ́ ni ma fi yoro wi ọmọ ṣe egbe no doni ihe anu da wa fi no bi ofi no bi eni ni kaye ti eni ni eye ti e awo wa ọmọ awe mi dan ana ebeda ya ke onisa mi la kin oga yoro wo eno we agbe wa yoro wi ọmọ ṣe di yoro na of you we no we nyegbe pie all of you know be we are bewa amilakin. Iga ti yore no we almost yeme. Yeme no say not yeme. No be on agbaniti. Ona di yobo no ma. Oh ma. No me on agbaniti. Ona di yobo no ma. Oh ma. Ogon iti yeme yoro no we almost ma kan we it's not your business. Ni pe kian da dege na ina erita ayemi no we hook up no de bege we mi no uma oni se wa gbon egbe ma we oni agwa lo we community upo me no ya mi no egbe ma we oni gun ani aka mi ya emi mi wa yin na ma ama we keti no ro emo ya no we swing yen na awagbon wegbe anawo na awagbon oge yi yan bege dikini amataki lajan bebe agbaika okama mi ni awu wo na we ka wo okama mi ni awu udazu no popa dog le kama mi ni awu ewu no mama yo we ra mu ejo ne ewu no mama jo we ra mu ene mu jo ne ya mi so ti me we agbaika je mi no inyo kama mi ni awu adu wajaji bu yo kama mi awu nyogele kama mi awu yo kama me so ni pe di ojo ki han
ugo ibu yore o mommy oni ogijin the same thing with atiti yin wa laja we video do aka we ijore go dolewo no ni aga lele you know all this stuff so na do asiezo we here oni wa mo bodo siezi ma wa titi no then wana mu ye beko whether ye o ni megugun hihi o da ka be do ke opa wa so pa na we ya kan re do kan ya na
ekini kadu nu wi do popa e de ni alade an dogu we gun popa lati me owe ni lao owe si kewe kakabo owe si kewe owe no egbe na ma owe ni lao ni e de we ko na ewe a video ni we na delete yakwa ina ye phone ti we ina wo kan we ana ewe video akedo mi we zoga aro ezo no ga aro na between Okpaika ni jeme di bawe Monica ana ina do ti wa na vigwe to bi na ya emi wa ya enu wa mwezo fua gbaropo makwe obono kwe ikaye tawe ina de na gwo ma gwo obono kwe medeba eri ya yin so again ijemeno it's not your business me can say to the USZA me ayaziye so mo jare ipoje we ja mama isunwe
nda oni opa me mo bo emegun ayi ana do mi e mana we akon na du gi o mare we no do yin mi o pa re
e ma gi o mare no do yin we point of correction o wono to I don't like
ye ke ba ni ona we la jan do adu ni me kana no na iti joreje erio ino kiye kugo no do see me ni ya fe again so since that time akedo mi e wo go pa ikado de
Milaki ina ti yori iyeme ita sebere okwo bioba obie kan obivie okwo bia lima ya lora gbon na okoko no riwe mi no mane kokoko no riwe mi no mane ijeme no kokoko no riwe mi no mane ba gbon na iru yi ni gboko werio except newe mi no ma no ri abawo no si oli yewo egbe ko werio ejoja niyan o jago gwe ta ora son ija ni gbe ko wedio no riwe mi no mane be community level na je ime ijeme etiyan yayi imo vanity yayi exotic ati so van aweti me riwe do to siyan iga ti so eni aweti atiti de toast me riyan yagita beni okuno riwe mi no maya ki agwegun abama queen oriome ni boku ni jeme itiyan no make na me encouragement no ya awe no ma edovi e no bu aka wa titi do toast yen o atiti no get woman dey toast me o eriyan ya fi eweri anyway beni wa re ya fi eweri e otako igbogi unwe me no ro no wa ya fi weri e wa ga siri opa so ni pe hian
baby hiana ya si aria webo rio ya rio pa ka wu even I me surprise me every time mama lo like do unda
wasilima aria webo wana si amiki wa ma ni mejo ima mi ego egi obogbe udazi no bokute deme de negwo ni mega okute deme de negwo unegwo no mudia no pe awogwe no mudia no pe wota on no oge on no we no ma bebo o ma be ni meje I uwa tawo pa ikari mo bo me ri opa ka mo bo awe ne doga manu se luga ma agbiyan noka ba ya hin ogba kan wa be ogba ka jene na gigu waro pagun ogba ka jene na gigu waro pagun ewu no viere majon wa te wa mu yo o ma be ni maji uri amadege ewu ni ese ti joy ya se gbe ejena we birthday ejena gba ka we birthday I mean yo panu wa ma we I mean yo panu wa ma wo pa ka ile de ne dere oni so madam idi wa pe fun ni atama we do tama we wa ladian duro wi egbo e ide do ko ni
so menaite how ina we tin agi gui or something because any walele can you tete mama lola baika iketi rita you know all these people ni wa mo body against money so no a video ni me
Erita Opaika mama lola you tete mama joy e ma not there against wani emelele here o devil because even wa ohun ma wagi o de no ma bi agbon o de dan wagi ma bi agbon so e ma no we no money the community emi ya deba na bi agbonigbina na mi o to yi na ko mi o to e do expect we o ma be ni meje nido emi ni ma u de ba mi go nido sun awe emi ni ma u de o wo ni ma u de ba mi go do sun awe o ma be ni me na ji mewe
emi na nia yin egbe mi no yi video e ba na kana lete ma be dere we na te be ya ba isi ekegbe maybe o do
o bere yi ivie ona di eme ba gbe we ya si ekegbe o ma be ni meje itamu wa de na e me tamu wa de na me na do bori ohu era o ije na we mi dan igbego ne o be ni meje na o ti me na we mi dan igbego ne always say the truth shall set you free o ma be do ehin Oh, what is he make a period in? I don't do that. Yeah, mudia demata no demata ni mudiayi. If you will, well. When a man say, I get women in woman, but me to be me. A spirit no leading me, any will demata ni mudiayi ni mudiayi if you will it well. I might take time for 2 days. Emi ansunu. He take time for 2 days or 3 days. He ke gwa yi di matter. He ya gwa lo to teme. He ya gwa lo to teme ni ki do gwa yo. So nik pe kian.
C'est ma souverain ateria, you know. Una be dosia kegbe well. Let's give them a chance. That can equally make them to, you know, have a change of.
Milaki, omo be ni meji meria e me dolo yi mo new generation. Because nu wana we mi dani group wani. Ni na attack wani ko wa ko no la me group ni attack e ya leluwa ya hon. E wana aga wetiri ya but e de na ofe na gbon e ofe ni the whole world anywhere evil group a group ni ya so aso ma bebe ni leluwa hon na me na ina ewewo because it prove him and it prove him agbon ewe a group ni a group dano when it prove him agbon ni ubege iya ya for ko break out wone iya ya for ko break out wone iya ya break out odo dekwe o de okay mi va de o logo e ma no le ki no te popo de e ya fe ko pege mata no ro ni na prove e ma gbon be na gbon ki bege ne ma le ro no le lu yan kon ne igi ewe gba mesa won o pe agedegbe ya le lu wa kon o pe agedegbe e ya le lu wa kon 3 years e ya le lu wa kon du wa man wa ya gege ya so ale lu wa kon e group ni egbe me ma ri ro ne de ne na no ri le lu wa kon ne igi step down igba mesa won because it prove him agbon ne maybe we so approve e disgrace na la yan gbe e disgrace na so la yan gbe e ge na ma la je so approve e o wa ga ti shan big man wife e ge ni ya so la je wa if you do no gile wa ya de gbe memorize e ina we do mi ewe so we de na ni aka ti e bon na eni o we po bo le yan ko so ri wa ro pa ma won o iso no ka bia na ka mu ebo gbe wo pe a o we po bo le yan we de na ina do bege wo ri wa ro pa ma won o muria e wa e ya gwa lo o ma be ni ma na ye de na ma muri ma ima dolo yi so ave manu we ipo bo le ni ave keti we ya iye me ya ogba eka iye me no eketi iye me no iyu tete iye me no mama jo iye me no eketi iye me no erita iye me no ijoro no wi omoze iye me no imano ge we no ma na ebe bo e me de ba e mano we mi dan be bo ni pe fian waga video na
Mind to kind of change their ways and all that. So me maybe he did against that. Again, so that was that. He may well be supporting it, but when not the idea attitude, one will hear go in now maybe or maybe every year near about we understand. Maybe you're talking me what near bad then baby here and lever se va ni we wa titi na o bok pa yen we ya korare wa be even no
ile do no wa kero risi wa ya to me no ti wa wa ya wa da me no ta ba ni o ma be ni meji una ti won se wo ya o se wo una ti won ri an we ya ti o ya o ri an we ezeme gian mehi ikata mu wa run about koma ko won we mi no ma o se me no ina bege o we mi no ma I stay clear away from you tori ya ni wa no me e franco menwa ejene na Wola dia vi mio ina tie mo ti frank manwa na we ibega woni wonu. Okay, come on, what it is be or I want to fish out or where a bony when I want to fish out something. Or when I got fish out me now, I can't make out when I remind me but on a fish out me today. It prove you people, on a prove wala they when can prove what day. When you can work on day we group is down. But to frank men today prove you people again the same way I prove you people. Here when we no make your pan ogbo wan. So Nick Bekion.
Obey vano isef oviora wano olewe mani do pebe do ni we here. Ye mamuja yo deko de
Oviora hin. Una wo oviora hin, una wo we do hin. I'm from Edo State. Oviedo sesesi emehi evileka ana bieme nereve do agbara luku agi sevileka uwe akere wege gbuwe magbo kinu wekere vedo wege magbo ijo mo wuki awijo mo ga ijo okun egbeda 40 years ne no egbeda 50 years ne egbugo ebo unu ati ebo na ebo ni hian se na all return back to sender ono se ni ijo mo to dolo mo yi ijo mo ti ebo no mo imiewe kenge ni ya di ami orun opa nu ma lajo me petuge nu ma egugun ina do total ina do we ogbo ma me yan no ga won mi se egbo ma me yan ga won mi se ma yo mi se ni iyan ya ga ku we no wan uti egbo we no wan why the whole platform and the whole people in the world, they are not talking of you good. They are not talking of you good. I know if 200 people like Jamana Babana and I will not always vote in my way. Maybe 150 might vote for me. 70 Yani, 70 Yagwa Bogwan. In your own case, everybody complain about you. Man winning, winning na him. I start touch. Okay, start touch na him. Okay, still winning na him. Winning. Now you say you want win. You got the win the goal now. You want swear wetin you want win. Not be so I go find your number winning. So what to even not go ama wayagbe. Nubaga video na no go viral. You only have press start with YouTube. You only have press start when I like your team. I press it, man. May I press start with us? I press start. I press start for me. Press start for me. Every day. So why are talking this when you can imagine when I wear a monomajo a picture I am on a river. I have a big picture. You will tell why I have so nuwaga video na nuwaga go vera a video ni mi obu menwa from Victor a video ni mi oboy ojobo gbudu ma me se video from Victor we ni again ni o me oni e official temi many can prove age 63 years ya de ni na lele a group ina ho iyan mo ewori a ona gele do total ona gele do prove man we no ita we ni yegbe e ma tam work e no bukere ni ajo we ni yegbe ni yan official ni iya we nwa aya gbofe no ra ke na gbofe gba ke ofe na gbon na je na ni yan wa beg no manoro wa beg ni manoro it's all left for you people to choose the right partner you want to choose in life aka mono omonori ogo no pa igogori. If you do waga video now, I'm coming to come and speak broken English. I prepare for this video today. I'm not going nowhere today. I'm prepared for this video. I want to talk to the world. The little I can say. If you are told me you are welcome. So let me play the video.
Na ya itema tabu we Facebook na. They talk me I go VJK or they give me boke me Kevin.
Madam Akin, since I've been in this live video, no presenter ever bring money for me once. Presenter of Komari Gogume. Any presenter have never bring money for me. I've never collected money from any presenter since I've been in live video since more than 3 years plus. Yeah, beg of no way we no man. No go and say. No me ne weke ya mae. No tuevo. No di yoponevo. E come na ya receive because omo no man. Ona beg of no man. Or you both die. Ọgbọ́n mi rí ọ níhìn. Ijó rẹ̀ náà wí ọmọ sọ wíjẹ́ mẹ́nà ijẹ́ mẹ́nà. Ọ̀gàrẹ̀rẹ̀ á yán. Igá sì yàn sí jíjẹ́ mẹ́. Gbẹ́mí ọmọ arúgbó wà ara gbọ̀n awuyẹ àzẹ́nà. Ọba sì gbé náà wá gbé yẹ wà wẹ́rẹ́ ọ níhìn. Adégọ́fí ló bí ẹ̀gẹ̀gà 7 kàtà ẹ̀ níhìn. Ẹ̀gẹ̀gà sẹ́ ẹ má wà bí ayé bí àkàmẹ́ yóò rẹ̀ amúgbé yapa kí wọ́n wá. Ọ̀kẹ́ nù náà kí múmẹ́rì yá mi yékè wẹ́n mi pìrìsẹ́ntà náà yà múmẹ́rì yà wẹ́n mi pìrìsẹ́ntà náà yà múmẹ́rì yà wẹ́n mi pìrìsẹ́ntà náà yà múmẹ́rì yà wẹ́n mi pìrìsẹ́ntà náà yà múmẹ́rì yà. Ẹni òun náà wá bẹ́ mi kù wà gbọ́n náà. Odugu abemiku ya sunu osunu marriage no bun osunu wa wo magun osunu wa risi wina emi ma no si wan no teme wa mi awon me temptation odugu that dog ya me temptation atege yore na me temptation egbe ni o ma mi na ya gbe na ba gbe ya gbogin na ba ya gbe wa. Nobody above mistake. When you correct your mistake, very important. Share the video, let the video go viral. Let me play the
so that I don't really know. I understand. And now when it come my way, me came in already large and already wait.
Una no wait after when they do election, when they say they put me for chairman. If say recording, all those recording. He said that go give Umenwa. He record go give Umenwa. Try to spoil me for Umenwa. Try to blackmail me for Umenwa. The time when me with Umenwa talk, he tell me say, Atiti, give me chance. I want to fish out something out in the world. And I said, okay, no problem. Today, the same way I proved that people wrong. Many people are beginning to prove them the same way I proved them. That's why I quiet. That's why me quiet. The one way me never talk with people, nobody. The one way me never talk when I not fit talk. When I they prove they say they be wicked people. The other people will go fit talk and when people go hear and they will see talking. But today will go. You see to the world. I don't see you, madam. Different platform where you don't go, different platform where you don't go. That platform, it take the by grace of God before the platform go succeed. So, madam, wait till I come beg you. You not be teenager again. You not be picking again. You don't be mama of papa. You don't be mama of mama. Deviate away from the way. Deviate from the way you are going. It's not good. It's not good enough. It's not good enough. So I know will curse you, but I want just come the videos when I come plan to the world. Keto, Esther, Ivierio, Mama Paika, Uyu Tete, Mama Lola, Mama Joy, Stoneless. If I see person wey truth today for a math, they be my friend, they be my brothers, they be my mama, they be my papa. Not be person when I see he go to condemn my people for community. You know what make me the first for that one group? Una don't condemn many marriage. Una don't swear many marriage. Today where the women they regret. Today where the women they regret. If me with case happen for me with woman now for year now. If me with woman the quarrel now for year. Both man and woman, that voice of that woman, I they go listen to. They don't listen to my voice. So, does that Atiti? That woman is so nice. Oh, that woman is so nice. Now they go listen to. So for that reason, that group don't condemn many women as many married. They don't condemn her. Now make me the best for the season. As they do, they draw me go native to place. So, una not here now. From Victor, they give una today. If they give una tablet today. Now, me una come on for bad thing. We una dey do now every day. We una come on for bad thing, bad character. We una dey teach people. We una come on for the character now every day. So when I plan to go, the video plenty, I prepare for it today. So, madam, you don't find me for this live video more than five cases. You don't find me. I know they talk to you, but this one, I just say when I come plan to the world. As I the plan, so I dey talk the put. If I don't plan, finish just I plan for the world, make them listen to them well.
Where atitinia or Moswo wahin, so any ya mega gave me. You know, that would make me kind of
Madam, 8 year born way. 8 year born way. 8 year born way. Emi ya lerun we. Ko kon uwe wa dagbon we. Ko kon uwe we dagbon we no sa bojo ko we bo we. E ri ni hian nanu we. Ko kon we ko vi o ma ko wan we mo bogbe o pe ru mo bogbe o poru mo bogbe o esuni no reria we no da lo we ni no sa ba ka fe yo egbere no sa bo yo ko we bo we o ru ni an nanu we o se pe pan
to calm down a little bit so that I don't get where almost no way here really. So that's that. Do here winning when I clean winner. And now when it come away, at it, when I do when I do lily winner, when I am here, well, then when Muja, you know, when I have dole.
Because hotel na titi, na seti Mudia command on winner le lomansi. Ina bege winner. Ọmọ agbogo me o ni adera bi eni dange gbeme eni dange gbeme ki sewe aye igi sun afi oponu e eri ya yin imi ado ya muja odo uko ni atori ni bere mata ni eka ise ti lewe ilenu e isun afi oponu eri ya yin bueno pie red na mabe agbon we eniyan mabe agbowe meno kuna ya muweni ri ana bi yeki ereke emi yigi ti ebo usaba yo ko ebo wo mai mi may God forgive you your sin wa apion egbe wa arun 120 rema gbo pana do da pie red e mani ke pia like your thing e mani ke mo love you e love edimodo we opa fi o na emi na ya yangbon ya fe e mo love you no pia like your thing o no give me no maye mane e usa na je na ukina na yena ukiogogo no niya ukimie fa no niya ala oda ga ala ya wa we ola bota ogoge gifo ukiowi ya emi na ya we mi egifo obi ya igo ika obi ya ma ya no pi like I like your thing yona wa piesta ma ma se kina na piesta kin mana piesta YouTube mana ya press don't marry. So we are up here no rema o my subscribe get Prophet Atiti top show e come what we got re bomba to bomba kiano who have your more legal with the boom. Pack your children around the table one by one, count your blessing and say no sao no accountable. So why are to then you back here?
You know, no surprise you. So that's that. Imetea TV no come away, but if I near a line. So no. When they come away, okay. Wese wahia sabu anori timba wetin nika ojedo anori timba wetin ko wese. All right, now take care. Ciao.
Atu wa bege date ya de bayana beni yana this egeni ya oni ya tisi me ke gbeni date de bayana e YouTube ni me so ikere da adi egbeta asun arigo ne me asun ape me na YouTube date de bayan o ma be ni meje ise ti pa yawo uko nu da ti gwaligo or nu da ti oni fe I don't do it. Ikmiya boya na okpa we ga fe wa wona fe e me pon sa yi no do sa bo se ti de ba de ni me se ti dupon ye gbe me ise ti ekini wa me na yi o important ni me ise ti gba oro mo o ga se genu sa ka ita fe gbe ni wa te do si me ke gbe ni me to do awe rubbish me gbo ma do e. So, ladies and gentlemen, we want to go to the brokers of English, broken English. Anyway, I speak this English. If it is not correct, take the one that correct and leave the one that is bad. Una no same now, maybe they are Peking. I don't want to introduce myself again for now. No one of you nobody know me. As I go, I can't see one video where Franco Menwa do. Franco Menwa, where they for Germany. I can't see video when he do. Una know one time when they do election. When they can't put me, they say I be chairman. I can't tell them say the name when I the answer, the name where my papa give me, where my mama give me. Where people know me put New Generation Prophet Atiti. I don't go feel change but I hear what una talk. Now what you una talk say maybe me good, ne do a man no say lo a man. I stand put. I can't see the way they can't behave that period. I can't drop body for all of them. So I can't tell my friend. No, when I see, I can't even the throw party because they give my friend. All of them go to hear the party but that time. When I go to hear them. So we can't talk one day. Can't tell me say, Atiti, leave me when I fish out something out. Atiti, I want fish out something out. And that's okay. Now we can't do during that period where they give women one presidency so. Where they give a presidential. During that time, many fights come. Because that presidential, the owner, when he gets and say, you know, feel leave on. He say, you know, feel leave that presidential. They can't trigger the man. The man can't come out from pastor. He can't enter saga. When men can't drop the post for the man, men say, all those trouble. That time when I don't find the information finished. When I don't know the whole lipo, when you want pass come out, he can't drop the presidential. As he drop her, yeah, many people say, well, when I go drop her. If not Atiti, they give that knee. Atiti not go drop her. If not Atiti go fight her. All those people, they fight person when they wanted to fight people. They initiate people when they wanted to fight people. People like us will not do for that one. We they stand for the rightful truth to lead our people. They say, be your brother's keeper. If I see anything where they hurt my brother or they hurt my sister, now my right, when I get off from my sleep, say, if this king, we must put an end to it. That's why I do my thing. If I see person will not do bad, the way they do so no good, I'll go attack them. You know, I see this group since 4 years when I got social media. This same group, now they attack right from time, they come time to time. I can't prove it to the world. The world can attack them now. The world they attack them now. The world they deal with them now. So tell they don't carry people, they carry people go court. The court, Ekba. I said the nether on it. Why we only? They were having a tala them no soon over. So now so they be. Now they come vote to as they vote. They consider give me Sherman. Now I say the name with my papa, where they know me, with my papa say I want to say before my papa die. New generation prophet Atiti go into the world, go and correct people. It may take time before you correct people. It may take time, but try to correct people. I know you did not go to school, my son. But God has blessed you with wisdom. I'm just coming now. Please, if you want to do a favor for me, subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show so that we start the journey immediately. And many people will benefit from it. Many people will learn from it. Take the good ones from me. Leave the bad ones. So, now so it can be this period where they do that election. Nothing where this woman no play go give from Victor to destroy my enemy for Victor hand. So to na see where Victor can come out. Nothing where Victor not can talk. Because you see all those evil people, all of them go the engineer, go this that one way that they call Susie. Go this that one. All of them. Come the patronize this from Victor. The one initiate time may tell the spoil they go when the pikin no say na pikin wey get science. We as he call himself men wine. Na pikin wey get sense. He obey to all of them. Tell they come we go see places Susie home. He go see plan. No see adultery wey Susie coming for there. So my brother, my sister, this woman when they call me like a king, as you see say they put me for Sherman, they put the bush lion for Godfather, they put the Frank Victor for president. That he cause quarrel. As he cause quarrel, I can't do one video that evening. As I do the video, I can't thank all the old people when they did for my community wey come from Nigeria. Say they do well, they know my name, take call. Who be in Pekin wey not go school? They just do illegal election. My name can't come out for inside as a chairman. Tomorrow if it can be reality. Tomorrow if it can be reality, now I say, una do well if una know my name, take call. But the name where my papa with my mama give me, Mona the press I like your thing. I beg, if una dey here, Mona the press I like your thing. That I like your thing. If I dey see am, you go they give me power. I'll Mona the press in the quotation bets. Now I can't listen. Now I can't still. I can't look. Yesterday now I can't see video. Whoa, men when I do as men when I do this video. Now I can't call men when I say all those videos. Bring them for me. I can't listen to them. I'm not come here and I can't curse man. I not come curse woman. I don't talk say anybody curse again because I don't see anybody when I curse if they affect them. If they affect them, but I don't want to be curse again. This woman, the prayer I want to pray for today. Mila King. Will end of this video. The video when he say come plenty, but only one now I want to play for people. The one when I want to play for now. So I don't for plan for my talent and interpret for with my talent. Anyway, I tell interpreter with my talent, I will say plan with broken English. Interpreter with broken English. If I procode here, carry on na two videos you go carry on two. English and broken English. Edo and broken English. So now you take carry on. So make una the president like your thing. I beg if una never subscribe, go Prophet Titi Top Show. Make una subscribe, go there. I beg man and woman, the beg sister and brother. It may take time before we will change the world, but little by gradually it will change. I might be doing it now. People may not like it. People might like it, but time come. The whole world will focus on me and watch me and know the fact of the truth and know the fact of the matter. There are people speak to people people understand. There are people who speak to people who people will understand. Both people will do according to what is going on life. So he can't play the video. Many video where he play Milaki go plan go give Frank Victor. Frank Victor can't do video yesterday. Me no can do saga now. I dey express my feelings. I dey express my feelings to the world now. I no can do saga. This woman, the man say curse me for inside that video. I no go curse her. You know say people dey for wicked war. You dey tell them something. They know they believe. They say you will dey tell them I be bad person. Milaki, anywhere you dey, may God forgive you your sin in the morning. May God forgive you your sin in the evening. May God forgive you your sin in the night. The way you take a curse man and woman, they try to eliminate everybody. If you see the whole platform where you don't go, no one they succeed though. If they hard, they take by the grace of God before the cause succeed. So, my people, my sister, my brother, I want to play this another topic for there. If you know say you like good thing, make una share this video. Make una share and make people come listen to this video. And make people look whether I do whether a party. I know say some people they go say attitude not to come out again. If I see something I not come out, it's not good. Now waiting not good, now with the correct. I don't see and say time don't reach where this woman take correct the brain. We get them for many a day for Europe. Many a day for Europe here. It day for the city when I ran me so. If they see waiting one good. If they see waiting one good, they go destroy them. The way Frank Victor take commands, me with them join together. That as it all take commands, we join together. All those mates for don't finish for Facebook, for don't finish. They first go draw and go put for Egypt. Now when Frank Victor come, they come for Egypt now. Now I can't know say Egypt na country when you don't know God. Egypt whoever no fit ke bossa abiani as well if na someone na kuna press just put. He go dey play audio, go dey give Frank Victor, make it spoil me. Now so we get them for different ADD for Europe where it don't fail. I see so now, now lap they show, now lap they call the show. Now lap they call the show. I see so now. I see some the way they don't bleach. They don't bleach. They say they be see small picking. Picking will not reach their age. Now they come to take the learn. Picking will not reach their age. Man with the senior. By 5 years, 3 years. They'll come the claim say they're not senior the man. Now saying that the man senior them. So boy go make dig Yekivariana. Go make dig Yekivariavi. If you be that kind of man. Well, that man don't fall good down. He don't fall good down. All those in the deny they put there for her, they'll come use bleaching cream. They'll come they paint the face as a lot of the pattern. That my fine sister, no be Esther they talk Greek or Coca Greek. All those in the day. All those in the day, they spoil the community. They are all no good for them. They don't want no other person all good. We get them for here. For this village, where they say 3 villages for here, 4 villages for here. If I do something, you know they good for their face. They'll see what you want good, they'll destroy for person hand. But the time when they don't destroy and finish, they will drop body height. Sometimes they will born picking when they don't get papa. They not take care of, they want to take care of their papa. Pikin with the boy wey they want to find am, they want to find their papa. That titi matter they go hold her for head. So my brothers and my sisters, I never play the video. I just say when you talk to una some more. I go say play the video now. When I plan for now, I beg. Na beneath just speak am, but if you don't, the talk they go, I go dey explain am for now for broken English.
Hello, Kemeko. Obota wo na where what said they ko me ya ye odo ko I hope me yam in your video na titi wuta na na woni
person you're there for a house. Another man matter go your whole land. Mama na be this old mama. You know say any woman where they give you where they respect herself, me and my mama me I dey call am. I dey call them my mama. Even though I senior am, the woman not senior me. If I call the woman now, the name when I go to call her Oriome, ni boku ni ji. Na gba man no wo kan me. Because the woman wey dey behave well, na me attitude dey praise. I beg Mona the president I like your thing. Mona the president I like your thing. I beg. Make Mona help me the president I like your thing. So now no say I like your thing with the press for here now. E get one show when I dey pass for that day, as I dey pass dey go. How body? You don't dey find well video. You don't dey find you don't find pass your papa now. Fine boy. So now good morning. God go bless you now. I need to happy with my pikin small before I will start again. So God go bless you now. When I said the video may go viral. What plan?
record the message now go that way even the now serve via here where if you me no we here run that way although the natiti mudiaji we wa get a dossier kegbe ni when tatiti gumaya honhia
una know wetin this woman talk for here. He said where they come put me for the election, where they do, where they come put me for chairman, where they put me that time. Where me come to say, I know claim that chairman, the name where my papa give me, where my mama give me, where people know me put, now be New Generation Prophet. I know if we carry the chairman on Facebook, but I go follow now do the work where we say, we do more to repair our community, we to repair our people. This woman see that video, that evening when I do that video, he can't record, go give you meanwhile. Wait till he record, give you meanwhile. I want to start to translate for now, so make una put here now. So this way they try to tell you now. If this kind of mama get 5 pikin now for house, I'm not sure say the 5 pikin go dey play. If this kind of woman get 5 pikin now, I'm not sure say the 5 pikin go dey play. You go get the one we go put for F1, you go get the one we go put for shoulder, you go get the one we put for neck, like this kind of woman. So when I play the video, they go. I know cut some. Wait till I want to pray. I want to pray for her today. May God deliver her away from bondage. He had desire. May God complete her for her. You know, say person not rich. Person not rich. Wait till person they plan for. He are not finish her. But if they prepare the person, when I say if for marriage asshole. If some women see their friend, now see their friend, their husband they try, the husband, sorry my pikin, the husband not they try, but the pepper body go enter the house. That's why you see say some women now, they know, if we reach the time where something want to go for their house, because of immaterial thing, that man where they deceive the for outside, they go take and spoil her, now they worry this kind of woman. So the prayer, when we want to pray for her today, if I don't analyze this video, finish, may God forgive my sin. Anywhere, anybody wey don offend will beg for forgiveness for am. You know, say if man not get money, man dey find where he wan survive. Woman dey find where he wan survive. You know, see all of them. Many people dey for that group where they talk truth before, wey come out where they talk truth. Because of money, they come deviate from truth. So the one wey we wan pray for this woman, jealousy, e go comot for your body. Jealousy go comot for your body. Richness, wey dey put eye so, wey nobody reach your hand, go still pray for am make reach your hand. Because if pikin dey do bad, You deliver and come out for the bad. As you deliver and come out for the bad, everything called the good for them. It go change for the bad when they do. So, my brother, my sister, I beg, make una share the video, make it go Vera. Vera not there here. If Vera there here, make una press just for me. If Vera there here, make una press just for me. So, I dey come and play the video for una. Mona listen before I go start to analyze. Inside this video, he talk and say, Iyore wey dey for Paris. Me, they call her my mama. He talk and for inside this video, say, Okpa, can I tell me what I do? Yes, I agree for it. He talk and for inside this video, say, Katie, wait there for direction, my black beauty, oh, my queen, Orion, ni boku. He say, na my mama agree. He say, talk and for inside this video, say, oh, Ajemie, my Moshovino speaker. He say, talk and for inside this video, say, na mama agree. Not be Esther. He say Esther and my mama agree. But what me can tell you this evening, this morning, now deliverance, what can do for you. As I do the deliverance now, I will call you men in the evening, men will pray the last prayer for you. May you deviate away for evil. So, my brothers and my sister, when I play the video.
Kede wade no yari Katie mo boy Rita no we hook up. In fact, my here fair ni wade gested do. Me no be mo boy do asiezo ni ma boy we o wala dia. O we jore no vi o moze o we jien. Eri o gaje here we go. O wa mo boy atoni wo here we Ugo ibu yore o mommy only ogijin the same thing with Atiti. Ye one lajan video do aka we ijore go dole wo no.
Iyore egile luwa to asen. Even wa kesu ni ese iyore ana le luwa to asen. Eke ama so we gbovo yi igbovo popu wa na mi yore igbovo popu wa ya fe. Ateka o oh, Esther to see one in me. Esther, no me one innocent egume. No me one innocent egume ni pe baba na. I take how imagine no ya say aswe omo go asi one. Igbo fo no ma gya ko e bia yowa. O wori wa we igbi yori. Ami on e wa be mi ku. Ami on na wa be mi ku. Omo na wa be mi ku. Ona recollect we be mi ku ni e una ma o kiri wo ovi de kiri we abemi ku no une. Wa ma gegbe yoyo o e mi da. Ima do leru nu wa ni gbovola iwa gbere. Eru ni ma do na be na wa ino me wan innocent egume ni pe hen.
Ni aga lele, you know, all this stuff. So na do asiezo we here. Ono wa mo bodo siezi ma wa titi no then wana mu ye back over there ye on ni megugwa hihi unda okabe do ke opa wa so pa no we ya kan ge do kan ya na unda oni opa me mo bo e megwa yi ana do mi e mana we akon na do gi o mare we no do yin ya me opa be ri to bi e ke be do ti me we here ana be seto oni ye ke ba ni ona be la do adu ni mekana no na iti joreje so since that time I can do me work up by Kado de Baby here and I see area where boy you by Kawu even he may surprise me every time my mama like don't group here so
Melaki Mame group in Maji Iyawe eko akugbe ejuko gwaru ise mabe omono mane bagbon omono mane tagi zo omono mapopo omono ri mane bagbon oje be next time nania uno mano uwa gizo ekpopo be ro gba kaye nania uno mano wa gizo ekpopo be ne keti ye na uno mano wa yo nu wa azun ya popo be na je meje yori uno mayan because ya we no ma bebo àwa gbọ́dọ̀ lewo ai mo do lewo odo lewo ga wa bemiku udi ari bodo lewo me am we so ide ima do deliver we be na ni ge do menwa yori ne no menwa do go deliver we you no leru ni mi la kin you no menwa leru no mi la kin na ni try ni ge do menwa yori ne o menwa ni ge do yori ne no leru Ni kama wo le ru ni mi na kin na. Ila no pa ni ila no pa ma ila ni tale no go ma. Yeah, I'll call our plan. We never start to rotate for year today. I not go work. We'll rotate for year today. We'll rotate for year today. But I not worry. I not go work. I know the cost person again. We want to pray for her. Deliverance. Now we want again. May deviate away from the way. You know, say a person not they do well. If person not they do well, they go deliver them. If person not they do well, they go deliver them. One go deliver this woman from bondage. You know, say a person not well, then they cannot go TV Joshua. TV Joshua don't die now. Now attitude they come there online now. Attitude don't come out. So Mona subscribe go Prophet Attitude Top Show. So we want to pray for them. I go carry person job, but the men were not there for you again. You get the one way for put round cap for head. Round cap now men want put for head. Now the one when I take the do live video so now it day not day for the other one. I for say Italy line no go make come pray for me like king. We want deliver me like king today. We want deliver me like king. Who know men want number me tell them me call me now may not call me for the line when I take where I take do live video. The one when I not take do live video may call me. So we'll carry people jump but they will deliver this woman today away from bondage. Because if we quiet the look like this, it's not good. We need to deliver. I just see when one number. When I look at where I go. When I look at. So when I share the video, we'll pray for her. They will play the video finish. Maybe go call me back. When I start to play the video, maybe go call me back. Who be this one? So my brother, my sister, they don't send men one number for me. They send everything for me. So God will bless all of them. Way send that for me.
As you step into this new week.
So the video, when I play the video, continue to go. When I play the video first, before we come deliver Mela King. You know, say if something too much, I can't dream, I can't sit down, say now deliverance. Now this Mela King, now I need. So they say, na prayer we go pray for them. May deviate for evil way. Na prayer we want to deliver them. Mona not so surprised, but with the video when they do for back, when I say when I fair play for now, when I plan to go. So I don't get time to cut this again.
Can I call?
But I press I like your thing, please.
Now where what is it there? God, me a year would do. God, okay, me am. Me a video na titi utana. Na when record the message na go. Unda where even the na say vie ya here where vie me na we me unda where although we the na titi mu di ayi we wa ge ave dossier ke gbe ni. When ta titi guma ya hohia. Kege wa di.
Una know wetin this woman talk for here? He say me Attitude New Generation. I dey fight with all of them because I don't see truth for their mouth. That's why I dey fight with all of them. I don't prove to the world, I don't prove to people. Say these people are bad people. You know, see me now. More than 1 month they come, I calm down. Make me see drink water. But it don't prove to all of you now. Say these people now they push people go put for evil things. They'll push people with their mouth, with their wickedness. Una not see as they push that one when they call Sarah that day. The one when they call Sarah. Una see now they push and push and push and push and push and that one go fall for we're not supposed to fall for. Una see what queen Izegbe. They push and life better for that one. If they see say you come, these people get evil spirit for, but if they say come, you want to do well. They go find, you know, see how they do John Love it. And they say, you want they deviate away from where the track when it is. May God not let them deviate them. So my people, I'll play this video. As I plan, anything when I talk for here, Mona sit down, they listen to anything when I talk. Before I come and they do long video like this, you know, I not say the video will be this one.
My brother Oboye.
Okay, I'll call you way back, my brother. Real life video. I'll call you way back. Real life video.
Hello, Temeko. Obota now where what is it now?
First mama, now be this one. They do election where they take vote Umenwa for presidential. Where they take give Bush Lion. Father, I don't know what they call him. They say me the chairman. I do video in the next evening. Say, no way they give me now. Yeah. This woman, they no break before the woman go they spoil Umenwa mind. Nothing way, not tell them. He say Ogbaka na my mama. He say na Ogbaka the same message. He say Rita Yemie. He say Eketi, Mama Lola, Iutete, Mama Joy. They say I they call them my mama. Mila King, you be my mama too. If not that one they pay you for inside, I say they call them my mama. Mila King, Iye walk you. Oh, you have to deliver where now. You have to deliver where that bondage, that evil thing waiting for your body shall be removed in Jesus' name. Shall be removed in Jesus' name. I just see and say, person like if you get like 10 pikin, you go take spoil the 10 pikin, they're not going to play. I just see them. If we leave you like this now, till next year, you go do the one we pass this one. So today, you need deliverance. You need deliverance. We will deliver you. Till anything we not good, now deliver the deliverer. We want to deliver you away from evil spirit to the bondage. All the man picking where you don't cause, all the woman picking where you don't cause, because you don't know what you do. You are under fear. You are going to lose away from fear today in the name of Jesus. Etinika, why lose with fear right now? So
Now where what is it there? God, me a year would do. God, I hope me am. In me a video not to you wutana. Now when you record the message now go way. Even the answer via where if you when that way. Although the natitimu diaji we wage ave dossier kegbeni. When tatiti gumaya honhia. Kere wadi no yari keti no boy Rita no we hook up. In fact, man here fair.
This Kate, when they talk, so now only once me with a don't talk. Only once. And this Erita Yemie, when they talk, so now only once me with a don't talk. This is your way that they call my mama so. Now recent, me we can talk. When I even hear when I ask a number for live video, I say, me they give me your number for live video when I ask. In the morning I do that video. Because of the character way they behave for community, the way they behave. If you see mama where they try, where not present say na mama, you know see the person here not correct. If I see the way these people they talk, where what they come out for their mouths, the way that they do things, the way that they try to correct, they try their best, the way they are trying to try their best to correct people. The way they are doing their things, maybe to gather people together, I so much appreciate them in my heart. That's why I used to call them my mother. I used to call them sweet name. Me, I'm telling you to the effect of today, Malaki, you are my mother. To Ije Mohin. If not that one, they vex you. Say they call them my mama, me they call you today my mama, but we will deliver you today away from evil arms. So, mo go.
In fact, man here fair ni wade gested do. Me no be mo bo do asiezo ni mawo we o wala dia. O we jore no we moze o we jien. E dioga
Ijeme kekere na o, obo kianje, ijeme kekere na o, obo kianje. Wato. Oh, yes. Anyway. Come when I finish like you know the bit you know, I finish like you know the bit and I will put you through. So, my brothers and my sister, I want to play the video finish.
Orioga aje here we go. O wa mo bo atoni wo. Here we go ibu jore mommy oni ogijin the same thing with Atiti. Here one la video do aka we ijore go dolewo no ni aga lele, you know, all this stuff. So na
when Evie do no bon, Evie do sewo, they have a wicked heart. A heart na ya forgive. A heart na ya ona gbowanwa. Evie do no bu esuwo ya a heart ni yane. In human feelings. So I'm having meji me here zingbe. For you people be doing that, I will not talk. Now me past 1 month. Now I'm not the look on video again. I'm not the look on video again. That's why I say I'm not the come out because of what the school when I go now. The past 1 month, I know the watch video again. The people send that for me. I know the watch now because say this one. As you take spoil me, my enemy for back. No be so they take behave, madam. No be so. Say if una drop me near body, maybe I can't change, can't go on our side. Me myself no say. If I did for that size is there, this my YouTube, I don't chop money for inside. This my page, I don't chop money for inside. My papa tell me say, who dey kiri, who dey on that back here, na run lace. I don't know how to speak for English. I cannot force myself to wait here and not be when I go be that thing. I cannot do it. So if we cannot deliver you today, maybe tomorrow we'll deliver you. If we cannot deliver you today, maybe by tomorrow we'll deliver you. You know what jealousy? Jealousy they cause many things. If man too jealous, waiting supposed to reach your hand immediately, not reach your hand because if they pour for another man, if they jealous another man, they jealous another woman, waiting they pour and not reach your hand. Iyoro dey you know concern Iyoro now. You had the matter for a same matter. Wait they for do election now. Iyoro not follow the do election mo. Ogba cannot follow the do election. Madam Kate not follow the do election. When they call her, retire me not follow the do election. You call out the John and say, Mrs. When me you follow the when me carry them. Me we they know they call each other. Me we they know they call each other. Once in a while I will hear official, but I just see what they do for. If they do video, sometimes I will work out journal. I'll listen for what they do. Be like that woman when they come out and Eki, whether in London. When I go they follow that woman, all those women. If you want retain on her husband house, if you want stay for husband house, you want join her husband. You get one woman where they call Eki, they for London. When I go they follow her. It will teach you how to stay in your husband's house. It will teach you how to have respect in your husband's house. When I go they follow that woman where they come at Eki, they for London. The same way, if they talk say I talk say they go to follow Yore so. Any person where they do good thing. Inside good thing where they do, now you made mistake. Nobody will not receive temptation. If person see temptation, all of us know of your clap, say the person you die. He wish he did for Bible forgiving. Oh, I don't know. I know whether I'm forgiving. I don't know how they talk on. You can't be say money of our people for the world today. They say they be Christian. Now they carry Bible pass, but the Bible where they say me they teach with the word of Bible where they write for there. Now to make person get sense. Now for make person dig knowledge. Now for make person they study the Bible. May not do any stupid thing. I see say people where they carry Bible every Sunday now. Now they get wicked out pass. They not get out of forgive me. Not be waiting complete. Not be waiting good. New people are not showing good example. So with the plan they go when I play the voice. When I play the voice, if we not
I do asiezo weria ono wa mobodo siezi mawati tiwi no den wana muye beko wedero ye onwa ni megugwa hihi unda okabe do ke opa wa so pa no we ya wa unda okabe do.
You know if you talk to me because why you know if you talk to me with you not dey for the same link, me with you not dey for the same line to destroy. My own at repair. Now me if I see person will not do good thing, we do bad thing, I go attack him. Oh, it dey for Bible say the truth shall set you free. Anybody when I go meet go attack, now the truth I go tell him. If he say because of that one you want plan with me, anytime when you see me, the person when they plan load, now they carry a load. Now maybe new generation. You will plan the load, you will carry the load. It will turn against you. I beg, make una the press that like your thing. Make una the press that like your thing. As una take the put flower thing, una take the put flower thing, God will bless una for money, go bless una for everything. When I play the video, no say broken English too hard. The time when I take my Benin, they talk and say, I see many flower, broken English. When I don't say broken English, they calculate like this. If they go this side, go this side. That's why if I tell them, I say the one way good for broken English, make una they take on. The one way not good, make una dey drop am. When I dey speak my door, when I know the year where since, when I say I dey see flower, I dey see different things. Since when I start to speak broken English, since you know, you get as you call the Benny. So anyway, a learner is a perfect. I go see the broken English for una, make una learn as much more, una take am so much more. More play the video, they go.
Work your power so pan away ya can get do kayana. Down your pamemo emegwayi. Ana do me manawe akona do geomare we no do him and
I know same person come beg you. As I want come out for you that first day, that woman come and saying no you. If that woman come testify now, that woman beg me. You know say some women they will get sweet voice. If they prepare you, all those kind of women, you confused. You agree for them. Now make me agree for that woman that time. I agree. I don't want to offend that woman because that woman, na person when I dey respect. Now I forget that matter. And if you touch, I can't beg you. Take her like that, I can't beg you. But the way what you want to do for you now, we want to deliver you away from evil spirits. Now we want to deliver you. Now we walk where we come for now. We want to deliver you for way with the way people don't know you put for community, not be waiting good. It's something not good or can I go church as now they don't bring your matter to prophet attitude the new generation. We are going to deliver you away from bondage. So more gonna the president like a thing.
To be a kid do team here. Ana be settle oni yeke bani ona be lagando adu ni mekana no 90 yoreje erio ino kiye kugo no do see me ni ya feve again. So since that time akedo me wogo by kado de baby here na ya see area we boy erio yari okpa ka wo even he me surprise me every time mama lo laido unda group yan yin. So, when I tell you, we are or something, Because any Walele can you take Mama Lola, Baika, Katie, Rita, you know, all these people they want my body against the money. So no, a video hello, Tara. Hello.
Where the people there against you now? Where the people there against you now, eh? Because we are not do what is good for the community. Now the people, Mama Lola, Baika, Iyore, Kate, Rita Yemi, where they dig against you now? For this video where you play, so where I want to play to the world, so now there the world country no say that evil group, now there you can't show finish. If you see the people who you mention now, they say now people face now be mirror. The kind of work where all those people they do, the kind of work where they come out for their mats, the type of advice where they give people, the straightening way they are straightening people. What do they do? To bring man down, to destroy woman, to finish woman. All those people see and say the one until they behave, one until they destroy man, they destroy woman. Not be waiting good. Ogba can't come out. Una wa come out. Ogba cannot be Bini. Ogba cannot be Bini. Ogba cannot be Bini. Keti come out. Keti na Obiora. Keti na Obiora. Rita you may come out. Rita na Ibo. Rita na Ibo. Atiti come out. Atiti na Obiora. Na so na dey do am. If una see anybody wey come talk to una, na say na be Bini person. Ishan Akoko Edo Sabogidaro na Edo State all of the be. As far as the figure they take governor for Sabogidaro come Benin, they take governor for Benin put na Edo State. Everybody wait there for Agbo. If na they do wetin no good, you need to talk to una. Na Edo State they call am o. If na they do wetin no good, Agbo man wey become from Edo State, you need to correct una. Say Atiti, they follow all of una, they fight every time. What are they follow una, they fight for? We know they drag property, we know they drag one house. The one that they destroy our people, the one that they drag woman for husband house, the one that they condemn man, you know good. Now be what are they follow una, they fight for? Ask me they see am, now some other people they see am, wey no good for their face. Ask me they see am, now some other people they see am, wey no good for their face. They come they talk to una. Then they quarrel with you now. Say what you now they do so to bring man down, to bring woman down, not good. They do election finish after they break, you start to spoil my enemy. Now my enemy you go spoil. Because waiting me come for. Say the truth shall set you free. Now me come for. All those people who say I mention their name so.
Here we go. Oh, one more attorney. Here we. Go with your mommy on your the same thing with Atiti. Yeah, one larger video. Do I have where your got the level no near Galile?
Oh, we no give one. It can't no why not be now with the argue one. Argue one. Una gi waya gwali go waya ri ba waya gwali wa mweme waya do ya eme ya kisaga wa mwe to gboto wa wetu wa do lewie do yi wa wetu wa siwie do oko. Una go the 4 Benin hand. Una go the toss on the saga when they do when they destroy when they push him. They all the old presenter now they say I like they look all presenter. All the old presenter now where they do presenter where Benin people now they say they look them. Now this no spoil the name of presenter. Now spoil now certain they call they take all the one way good for presenter, the one way not good. They know they know him again. If anybody call you now, go say no record me. Because now na spoiler. Name where they're not supposed to call presenter and they go call them all sorts of names. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all my fans around the whole globe. As I go do police report that day, now that day I know say people love me. The way people embrace me. Before not be so I take and before I say at least if I go where group day, the way people take they talk to me, I don't know say people love me. So anywhere on a day, I thank all of una that day. I thank all of una. God go bless una for morning. He go bless una for evening. As I go there, I can't no say me at any treat way not go school. I can't no say people they follow me. People like what I do. People love me for what I be. Mostly of our mama were there for that day. We go do police report that day. God will bless you for money. He will bless you for evening. Anything you want they look for, anything you want they put on. You go the better for now. The one that they sing that day. Press the invitation bet. Press the invitation bet. Press the I follow the team. Press the I like the team. The one out to they can sing at that day. God will bless all of you now. So that one just come for there.
You know they got the level no you know all this stuff. So when I do I see so we here. Only one more body shares him my wife to no then when I'm here back over there you one in the good one here. Unda okabe dueke okpawa sokpa na we ya kan ge do kan yana unda oni okpa memebo emegwayi ana do mi mana we akon na du gi o mare we no do yin ya me okpa be to bi ke be do tie me we here ana be seto oni yeke ba ni ona be la do adu ni mekana no na iti joreje erio ino kiye kugo no do sie me ni ya fe be so since that time akedo mie wogo by kado de baby here na ya si area we boy yo yari by ka wo even he me surprise me every time mama lo like do unda group yan yin so me na
e bi no ni kama we na ti o ma go mene ina ti o ma go mene ina wo ma na o go meno o ma na o se meno ebe mi logo se yan na so ma ni aye mi logo say you know to say when I call it this social media I can't see if you want to grow your best friend will turn to your enemy. If you see say you want to grow your best friend will turn to your enemy and I can't observe. If I don't call you my friend wait here I know I think I will fight for you. If you want to tell me, say you know pass me. If na 2 years me with you take play before 3 years now me with you take play. Something start to go smoothly. Before that 3 years again, they say you want fall my hand. When you want to disgrace me, that 3 years ago, go they expect me again. You must go get it for come. You must go get it for come. So that's why you see, say if I follow person they play with all my heart. So that's why I talk that one. I probably go to wait for them.
Menaiti how in a way thing agree or something because any walele can you take mama lola baika iketi rita you know all these people they want my body against money so no a video ni me na nya we me no yi video by na kana let him be there where na tebe ya ba isi ekegbe maybe o do because ma so we don ya area you know.
What are you trying to tell you, madam? They cannot buy me and you cannot draw me near closer to your body to come and be doing bad. My father used to tell me, Agbera, don't be stupid. My father used to tell me when I was a little child, my son, Agbera, don't be stupid. I can't leave a good and go into bad. Except to that person when you offend me and not offend you. If you offend me and not offend you, I must do you waiting me know. Waiting me know I go take and fight you. That's why I do my thing. If you not offend me, you not offend me, I not fight you. But if you say you know past me, I not offend you, you can't offend me. I not find you can't find me. Waiting me know I must take and fight you. Mostly if tears come out from my eye, somebody touch me, tears come out from my eye. If you be that man or woman, you dey behind me, you better be careful. So when I play the video finish.
Na be do sia kegbe well let's give them a chance. That can equally make them to, have a change of mind to kind of change their ways and all that. So, maybe it against that. So that was that. He may well be supporting it, but when not the idea at it, one will hear go a thing in Narunda, maybe, or maybe near about.
They not get oaths. We not get swear together. Because they do what is good. Anybody way they do what is good for community. Hello, Mom. Hello, Mom. Huh? Okay, right over there. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So anybody where they do what is they good. Anybody where they do what is they good for community. Now my friend, now my brother, now my sister, now my mama. What do me not fit do? I see person where they do one. I dey give am kudos, I go dey give am praises. If I dey call Yori my mama today, I dey call Baika my mama today, I dey call Izingbe my mama today, I dey call Erita Yeme my mama today, I dey call Kate my mama today. Now wetin good when I see for their hands. Wetin good when I see for their hand. Now make me they call them my mama. Any woman where they do well, where they try. Now my mama for life before I will die. That's why they tell people. I can if I call them now, I go call the all sweet name where they call woman. Now so I they call some people can't come and say I they chase them. They don't know say I respect I they put for their body. So waiting will come for you this morning. The audio plenty way they send for me. Only this one I see when I play. Because they say too much of the thing is bad. Too much of the thing is bad. That man says I'll call you if I finish. But that your number, I know they quick they remember. Okay, you send me something just now. You send me something. I think I'll call you just now. So, no later they pay you all mothers. We don't they born at my mother. The time where it gets some time before women they talk, I know they listening. But now, if women they talk, I they listening. If I see where for wrong, I'll tell her, say, madam, this way, they are not like this place where you talk so. Una will be women before una deserve respect. But una mad. No, they make una man, not they feel they give una respect. Way man, want to give una respect before. Una deserve way be queen. Una go they carry una like a queen because of una mad. Una not they get patience. Una take and spoil what una do them, what una they build they go. So no let them pay you, madam. If I dey call a woman where they do good, my mama, no let them pay you. You see be my mama. But me not come here, can't cost you today. I know if it can cost you. They say too much of a thing is bad. They don't say especially they do something. They say more find where to go. As we'll solve this person problem. The other one way there for that side, I be the trillion. I be 1 trillion. Use a fair trillion. Use a fair trillion when I can't come. Wait till you body come. Or you put another that they call them. Oh, I don't forget that the thing they did for my mouth. If you sit down, you they talk to her. At least for 1 week, you they talk to her every day. You they talk to her. You know say as they come, as this person come. Now this person you want face for 1 week, you not go anywhere, you talk to her. You go to talk to her. You go to talk to her. Maybe if you don't talk to her after 1 hour, you leave her. You'll see the kind of person now, you go quiet for corner. That thing we tell her, you go call the memorize her, you go call the memorize her. If you come out, you go come see the change. Me may be like this today when they talk today. I was not like this before. People that knows me, they know I'm a pure radical. There are times I jam a woman for my life. The woman are Jehovah weakness. If they talk to me, I learn a lot of wisdom for him. Now me I take the work out today. Nobody, if that small pikin, he say come, that lady, that mama pikin, he come. If he say 1 week I talk to her, maybe if he, by now, more than 3 years, when I don't get a prophecy, they sing. They don't let them do the enemy. It does they go now, small time now, see what will happen. May God not let every party happen to any of our pikin. So, Milaki, that's why I will do this video this morning. Anywhere you did for around the world, they say in Italy you did. What you will come beg God this morning? Anyhow we take pray this prayer. Now short prayer, now long prayer. Milaki, now we know you for waiting that they call Mila, not be waiting good. Some people, I don't know your real name, but any prayer we will pray for you this morning. Milaki, now you the answer. This voice, when I play the voice. Muna yera.
Understand? Maybe you're talking me,
Milaki, I don't get any oath when I follow those people there. Now because they do good thing. If you they see they do good thing, you be my mama. Any spirit of jealousy, any spirit of bringing man down, who doesn't know Bukute Deve the Negwo Oba no Metoa. Oba no Yobore den Yoboero, the God that do a favor for a man and woman. The miraculous God. The God that open a way where there's no way. I commit your daughter into your hand this morning, Milaki. We want to deliver him away from bondage because he don't know what he's doing. As we speak this morning, the anointing of God, the Holy Spirit will visit this Milaki to lose away from bondage. You are loose. You don't lose come out for that bondage. Jealousy go come out for your body. Jealousy, now they put you for all this one. Jealousy, now they put you for this one. If you don't know what can orisi kiru nina, not be surprised. What we say your white women, your benedict nae. A jealousy spirit, not like you go hunari. Eke dan, not like you go hunari. Eka tosi, not like you go hunari milakin. Ye wo bugbe everything a o. Okuta deme de muri omenya. Okuta deme de ni muri omenya. Ohunari okpe no ke uwe petu wi. Otiebo no mo bono, otiebo no mo wene. Otiebo ni gbama, otieni romo, otieni yomo. Ire mi opa ni dero we na udasi no bo. Be no ya fi wiri e dagbon ereba. When you lie wall of one area like with Benare, Ereba Wena, who doesn't know Bukuta David the Negwogo. Kegeke, no have a video now. Every time I see my put Eruna or important if a dog boy. No lie, baby, no lie or logo Marie. Are we don't want even or Yanina Baba? We don't want even or Yanina. A book with your arm missing. O miseni ezoki asinia ya fefefe. Ena adi wienania. Keruni rina wiena. Igwa nau, imagwa nau. Okbiageme, okugeme, azokugeme, obana megeme, iye na megeme. Oso geme, udazino bobe mudiama. Okute deme dene gwogo, oje evina ya niswe niena, oje adiagmon. Emi ya niswe ni ena oje adiagbon amino mawo amine mawo ke no mawo eni ya nisona ke ne mawo wala on wa gbase iruna okuna na ti amilaki owo bi edo yen owo bi sesese yen oti ebono pewe petuge oti ebono ho omugbomo omugbeja ime mi onwe ni do no udazi no bokute de ne gwogo ina do ne iki yabo ina do no iyabo ne udazi no bo eka tosi eko atun otioma eko atun osini ina do ri eyo igbere de ne na eru ni na mana we na o se wo ta ko pe no ri epetu we na ko ko no ri epetu we na no yi me ke dan ke na yaria no sa ba fu fi wa ya we ri e wa awe mi no ma awe mi esi o ma se wewo awe mi esi o ma se wewo if do no go me wa ya to very short video wa ga video na no go vera kini ta no ro no ma kini ma wari e wo ya we omege kino piase unyimo orifie werie ibe le mari bude na bi ku imano bun walao avijima ijime wakin oke kaka bo dame unyime na bi kuso no bunyi yaga anye owo mume walao wa fieko werie wa anyisi wagbon yawa anyisi ana mi ogogo no ragbon anyo wanana gui agabi gui awi wa dolo akedo miegwa bi jima sono point de na ye ba mu ezo yagi mu yoto odo kieni no da bakru ijo mo no obo mode egbe no obo mode eke on age agwegbegun anu de 50 ro na egbe gari ere nu de 100 ro na egbe omo gari ere yagi seti igbomogun ha omo riwe mi no ma keke no ma gba be ya eyan riwe e na we ni do yin mi abi emotion rewe bo abi jima so rewe bo nu wala o iki mi dan wa gboyo moto e mi no keke wa fi omo were e wa dolo mo yi kati ikwe man ro nu wa me mi ne wa yo bo dem nu wa me yi en wa ya o yo vi awo wa okwo dolo pe ayi even we dollar ifonenia nu de ove no dinia no do terminal ni ma we ma se kino je we do boy mo fo ya we no ja yi party di wa won vie so ladies and gentlemen it time feel kwa wani item ni atane wa ya wese wa ya kan zepe maybe time permit me later I will see come out again video ni mi la ki record di gear ya fe but anybody na spirit mi na kama we ido yerun we keke beni ya lerun ni e beni ya lerun ni e o na ewe mi no ma bebo no we mi dan ari you are deliver na ari you we mi dan o je ni re ari yin so ena do drop a video na o we na ena do drop e o wa ya we se no man oro ibi do wa gidi ne man oro wa gi zo bo wa ya we se wa ya kan ze pe e ki pa wa la wa mi amen wa subscribe ayi Prophet Atiti Top Show wa subscribe ya wa ya to o ma wa ya kan ze pe